First, today's discussion related around major issues of interstate trade, which is called IGST. We could not reach a consensus on a very important issue which relates to defining a state. What is important about that? The 12 nautical miles from the state, can states charge GST from them or not? Right now, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Maharashtra, West Bengal, many states are now charging VAT or sales tax within 12 nautical miles of their states. For example, when a ship is loaded with oil or with products, the tax on that is charged by the state. Some states have as much as 600 crores. And of course, Gujarat perhaps has 1200 crores of taxes coming from this source. So all the coastal states combined, irrespective of party, irrespective of their state administrations, in saying we must have these 12 nautical miles within the state jurisdiction. Whereas the IGST law was looking at having it under the center. So finally, the Honorable Finance Minister chairing the meeting, Union Finance Minister, suggested that if there is a constitutional issue, it is better to get legal opinion on the subject. So it has gone, it will go to the Law Ministry and it will come back. There were several other issues relating to GST which were discussed, and on some things modifications were made, on something it was not. Very important in all of this is we haven't even been able to touch the dual control issue, which is fundamental to this process. So this will be taken up again tomorrow and we will see where we are. So we cannot have a GST that is non-sustainable, that is flawed, that is wrong, and states will not give up their rights along with the center to have a GST which can be effective. So we did not.
Does that mean that the April 1st deadline looks difficult? Is July or September a more likely timeline that
I don't want to make predictions on timelines, but we have not yet passed the IGST law. The process is, once the Goods and Services, the GST Council passes the SGST law, the CGST law, the IGST law, the rules are framed, and let me tell you, important part is fitment. Suppose somebody has a 15% tax today. They neither fall under 12% nor under 18%. Which of these products will go up to 18%? Which ones will go down to 12%? None of the fitment has even been discussed. So first IGST has to be passed, SGST, CGST, rules have to be framed, then only the next step can happen.
Do you think GST is becoming a victim of demonetization because things were moving pretty fast before demonetization was announced?
I have repeatedly said that we had taken a major risk for the sake of the country, where in 2009 Mamata Banerjee had put into her manifesto GST. We were committed to it. We felt it will give a big hit to the country, big hit to the revenue of the states. I will give you our condition due to demonetization. Today, West Bengal's December account shows that last December we grew by 11% in tax collection.
Right.
Do you know what it is today? -2%.
This was the month of November.
This is the month of November, accounted for in December, post demonetization. Now that is the same as every state. Every state said to me today, their taxes have fallen by at least 30-40% during this period. Now while you take a hit on your taxes, You introduce GST. GST is expected to take a hit on your taxes. That's why we wanted compensation from the center.
नोटबंदी का आप चाहते हैं कंपनसेशन में शामिल किया जाए जो आपकी डिमांड हमेशा से रही है?
देखिए ये है कि compensation के बारे में I will speak in English, then I'll tell you in Hindi. As far as compensation is concerned, GST Council took a decision. What was the decision? First, create a separate fund. That fund will have 55,000 crores for compensating the states. 3, that 55,000 crores will come from cess on cigarettes, on tobacco, on pan masala, on aerated drinks, on luxury cars. This was the model before the hit of demonetization, what I would call the tsunami of demonetization.
What's the model now?
Now what will happen is everybody's compensation will go up. We had at that time expected that 2-3 states, at most of 5 states, will need compensation because 14% rate of growth others would achieve. Today many states will need compensation. Now the question will be, if you need 80,000-90,000 crores instead of 55,000 crores, where will it come from? This is the double whammy, the double hit.
So could there be a revision in the GST rates as well, sir? Could that be also a demand on the side of the states?
I think states are interested that the centre to stick to its constitutional commitment, which is 100% compensation of the states, 100% loss, and centre will have to find a way if it goes beyond 55,000, which is obvious it will go. So this is a very serious problem.
So it doesn't matter
So will
whether
the
it's
compensation
the cess
law
rate,
again
the
come to
cess route
GST
or the
Council?
rate route?
Will the compensation law again come to GST Council?
Compensation law will obviously, once GST Council will be constantly meeting, if the compensation goes to 90,000 crores or 80,000 crores in place of 55,000 crores, obviously GST Council will have to take a call where the centre must become responsible.
Is this the rough estimate, 80 to 90,000 crore that you're looking at
Is-
now post demonetization?
If you assume 30% decline in tax collection, instead of 5 states or 4 states seeking compensation, 10-12 states will seek compensation. And therefore, the amount of compensation required, this is not a matter of law, it's a quantum it will require. Where will that come from today?
How much West Bengal is asking for? How much is
It is not what West Bengal is asking. I am the chairman of the Empowered Committee of States while I am a member of GST Council. So I speak on behalf of states. Hindi में बोलूँ बस. हिंदी में.
The Revenue Secretary had said that the compensation law has gone to the Law Ministry. Are you proposing changes again to it now?
You can ask the Revenue Secretary what he said. I don't want to comment.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.